Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever accidentally deleted a precious photo on Google Photos and thought it was gone forever? Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover those deleted photos in 2025. Google Photos has made it super easy with some straightforward steps, and I'll walk you through them step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Google Photos app on your phone or accessing it via the website on your computer. This is crucial because Google updates their features regularly, and for 2025, they've streamlined the interface even more for better user experience. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app and sign in with the Google account where the photos were deleted. If you're on a computer, go to photos.google.com and log in. Once you're in, head over to the Library tab at the bottom of the screen on mobile, or on the left sidebar on the web version. Next, in the library, look for the trash or bin section. That's where all your deleted photos go. Google Photos keeps deleted items in the trash for up to 60 days, so act quickly if your photo was recently deleted. If it's been longer, you might need to check your device's backup or other cloud services. Now, step 2. Once you're in the trash, you'll see a list of your deleted photos. Scroll through and find the one you want to recover. You can select multiple photos by tapping or clicking on them. After selecting, look for the Restore button. It's usually at the top or bottom of the screen. Hit that, and voila, your photos will be back in your main library. If you're having trouble, double-check that you're using the correct Google account, as photos are tied to specific accounts. Also, for 2025, Google has introduced a new feature called Advanced Search in Trash, which lets you search by date or keywords to find photos faster. Pretty cool, right? One more tip. To avoid future mishaps, enable auto backup and regularly check your trash. That way, you won't lose important memories. If this tutorial helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.